Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear children, today we will read poem Bismillah. Let's read together. Bismillah, Bismillah, in the name of Allah. Bismillah, Bismillah, in the name of Allah. When I eat, when I drink, always I say Bismillah. When I eat, when I drink, always I say Bismillah. Bismillah, Bismillah, in the name of Allah. When I read, when I write, I remember Bismillah. When I read, when I write, I remember Bismillah. Bismillah, Bismillah, in the name of Allah. Very good. Now it's your turn.